Hey guys, 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜𝐤𝐼𝐻 here. Welcome back to another video here with another Infinity Processing System review. And in this video, I want to show you some proof of results, how it works, and talk to you a little bit about the compensation plan and how you can make money with this digital product and actually learn how to get organic traffic and sales using free social media. So if you're looking for a way to be your own boss and make money on the internet, and if you can copy and paste pre-rent ads on social media and watch step-by-step videos, let me show you the videos. Okay. So in the membership area, you get access to free training where literally the creator of the program is a multiple six-figure earner. She walks through step by step what you need to know to build an affiliate business without doing paid ads. Okay, so if you can do those two things, you can copy and paste pre-rent ads. Pre-rent ads are given to you right here, and you can follow the training step by step, these step by step videos, then you can make money with this system. Okay, so you can learn more about this system beneath this video. Let's get into the private Facebook group when you can see our members that are getting results. Actually, first, before, let me show you that I'm getting results. So I've made over $3,300 with this system. I do have some other additional proof that is not through Stripe. But for purposes of today, I'll just show you in my Stripe account, and it's loading. This is me, 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜𝐤𝐼𝐻. This is my actual Stripe account. And you can see all of my $300 payments that have been coming in with this system. And I do have a couple 150 and some other ones that have come through Cash App and stuff like that. So that is, the system works, applying the strategies and learning how to make sales, having a legitimate digital product, which is a training platform, teaching people how to market online. So I, want to show you that other people are getting results. So we're here in our private Facebook group, and I'm going to show you that others are winning by following this blueprint that's in the membership area. So we have over 3,800 members that are getting results with this system, or that are in our proof group. So here are so many different testimonials of people actually getting results, but I'll just show you some of the most recent ones. So here we have here Jenna. She made a pro level sale, which is a $300 commission. And she helped Stanley get started. And now he has access to the membership area where he's learning the training to be a better affiliate marketer and to know how to market to make the same types of commissions. We have here also in the proof group Modesta. She said, "Yep, loving this system for sure. On my way to six figures." She also earned a $300 commission. And we have Pandora. She had a $600 day with IPS. That means she made two $300 commissions. Um, and then we have here Russ. He earned $150 at the elite level. So it says this just came in while watching Jeopardy. The system works if you work it, right? So our members are getting results with this system. And then we have another one, Ada. She said, "Stay tuned into a positive attitude because this works. New income came in while I was sleeping. This is amazing." $300 commission came in. So these are just like a handful of the results that our members are getting by following the blueprint that's in this membership area here, where she literally goes step by step and really shows you how to build an affiliate business. You get to pick, one or two of these platforms and stay consistent with it and get the results that she shows you how to get. And she literally reveals how she's leveraged these platforms to be able to build an online business. She goes over the mindset for success to really win at marketing online and making money. She gives you the pre-written ads. Um, and she really guides you through step by step. You get a 7-day action plan. She shows you how to market on Facebook. She shows you how to purchase paid traffic if you want to do that as well. So she really gives you all the strategies to be able to market your business using free organic strategies. Okay. So, anyways, now that you know that our members are getting results, I did want to point out that you don't need to be a guru, you don't need to have experience, and you certainly don't, you just don't need those things. You just have to be willing to give, anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour a day of taking action, actually applying these strategies that she's teaching you, especially the 7-day action plan, like doing these things. And, all these things will lead you to be able to generate sales in your business. Okay. So let's quickly go over the compensation plan. So when you join Infinity Processing System, you get access to a page that looks just like this, where it does all the explaining of how this works, how members can get access to a social media blueprint, which is the actual product, the actual membership area. And then you get access to the ability to earn commissions based on what package you purchased. Okay. So there's 3 ways that you can earn. I also wanted to point out that this page is branded to you as well, which also helps you. But anyways, this page explains everything. Once you get to this page, you're going to see that there's 3 packages, okay? So there's pro level, elite level, and starter level. Each one of these levels, whichever package you get, you're going to get the most training at the pro level. You get the second most training at elite level, and you'll get the, starter level training at $50, okay? Whatever membership package you buy, you can earn at that commission level and any of the packages underneath. Meaning that if someone comes and buys one of these packages, if you're at the highest level, you can earn this package. If they purchase the elite, you can earn 150. And if they purchase the starter, you can earn 50. If you started here, you can only earn $50 commissions. If you started here, you can only earn 150 and $50 commissions. So most people just come in at the pro level because you're going to get the most amount of training, and you're also going to have the ability to earn the 300, 150, and $50 commissions. Okay. So that's the compensation plan in a nutshell. It's very straightforward. Okay. And you could, scroll through and see all the training that you get based on the 2 different packages and things like that. And again, remember, the packages really include teaching you what you need to know to be successful with organic marketing on social media. Okay. So that's the compensation plan. There are no one-ups, no pass-ups, no things like that. There are no monthly fees. So that's good to know with the compensation plan. So, for $300, and then there's a $25 website fee, and that's it. So the thing is, you not only get access to this, awesome training, but then you have the ability to earn income from the training you're learning from. And the thing is, because there are no monthly fees, just like I was able to do here, I've multiple times off a $300 investment, and that's what you want to learn how to do. That's why I like member to member. The other thing to know is no one, the company never touches your money, because every time you make a commission, it goes to your payment processor. So for you get to choose how you want to receive your money. The payment options are PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, and Zelle. And you can use all 4 of those or one of those, or whichever ones you choose. But I am able to get these paid directly to me, and the company doesn't touch my money, and that's pretty powerful. Okay, so I just want to show you the earning income potential for each one of the levels. At the $50 commission, you feel free to go through my page and learn more about it. But assuming you make 1 sale a day, your weekly income be $350, and your monthly income be $1,400 from applying the strategies that are in the membership area. Okay, so let's say that you were at the elite level. Okay, you have the ability to make $150 every time somebody buys that $150 package. Let's say you did that 1 time a day. Your weekly income would be $1,000 a week. Your monthly would be $4,200. Okay, the pro level, $300 commissions. Your weekly income, if you were to make one every single day for a week, will be $2,100. Your monthly income will be $8,400, just having a $300 product. Now, the thing to know is that there's no income cap. So, there's no limit to the amount of income that you can earn. And there's not a lot of businesses where you could like invest one time, have a product, and literally earn on that over and over and over and over again. Okay. When people have like brick and mortar businesses, or they have like product based businesses where it's like a physical product, they sell that product, they got to go buy that product again and again and again to sell it, right? And it's taking money out of your business over and over and over again, because you have to keep paying to replenish your business. And that's why I like digital products that are member to member, because once you invest in a digital product, you literally can resell that product over and over and over again because it's a digital product. So that's the compensation plan in a nutshell. Remember, there's no monthly fees. Remember, there's no cap. Remember that you can receive commissions however you want: PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, and Zelle. And that you get access to an actual membership area that teaches you how to market as an online affiliate marketer and make affiliate marketing a way of life for yourself. So if that's something that you really want to do for yourself, you already know our members are taking action and getting results. And if you're looking for a way to earn instant payments anytime you earn, right? You want to have access to your money immediately as soon as you make a commission. You want access to our step-by-step blueprint that is here. See the link beneath this video. Go ahead and pick it up. If you pick up the pro level membership, let's go back and show you the pro level membership. If you pick up the pro level membership, not only are you going to get the most training, but when I send you your Getting Started Right training, you're also going to get access to my daily action plan on how I grow my affiliate business. Okay, so that's that. Smash the subscribe button, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.